What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be playing creative. So, in Fortnite, by the way. Hi, guys. Let's get ready for the drill. We're going to be playing creative. Get it, man. So, Fortnite's here. So, we're going in Fortnite. You guys, stay with me. Okay? So, Fortnite's right here, guys. Now, let's just wait for it. Let me look for my headphones. So guys, I'm back again. Okay guys, wait for me. So guys, I'm back. Fortnite, literally, like, nobody wants to, everybody wants to play with me. Come on. That's Midas skin, that's Brutus skin, that's Sky, that's Meow Souls, that's TNT. All of them, I know. Came out, chapter 2. That's the pistol. That's that. I don't have that, but I'm gonna get the battle pass. I'm gonna get Sky, Brutus, and Meowscles. I could get both of them. But I need to open the battle pass. Come on, man. Let me put this pillow on. Okay, so now, here. Now I'm ready to fight. I'm going to the island of creative, guys. Okay, so I'm ready. I'm ready. The money's over there. Okay. Come on. I'm just gonna press it right away. I know where it is. Right here. Oh my god, it was right in the middle. So you just put it's my keyboard. See it, guys. Well, now it's gonna show the Fortnite news. Okay, I'm here in Fortnite. So let's go. Play creative. Create. Should I battle someone? Okay, I'm doing that. I'm so close to level 67. Wait, there's a new skin button, but it's about it. So have fun. Create mode is all about friends. hanging out and having fun on the Battle Royale Island. Practice, try out new weapons and items or scrimmage against friends. Build resources. Gathering is easy in this mode. So try building huge structures. Okay? I can build big structures. So I'm just going to be doing this. So that's right here. So that hand is right there. Okay, got it. In 3 hands, I have. This just have to go up to here, 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 and then we're done. That's Meowthos. That's the, I don't know what version is it, but who do you guys vote? Shadow? I don't know. I don't know yet. I'm still making a decision, and I'm voting for. It's a little more left. So see, when you press this mic, see that part is lighting. When you press this part, look, like glitches. See it, guys? Tomorrow I'm gonna be buying a controller. Okay. See how hard that's move? It moves so bad. But this part, when you don't press that part, it moves better. So I'm ready to play. It's about to be done, so we're about to play. I think we're going to the hub or something. I don't know where I'm gonna go, but I think I'm going to the hub. No, actually, I think I'm playing with friends. Come on. Like, see that 3 stuff? I have to move faster. And then we can play. That's the black version. That's the Meowthos real ones. I want the gold part. Come on, are you scamming me or something? Can't just be scamming me, that's so rude. The Gaming Ninja. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe. The Gaming Ninja. It's me, the Gaming Ninja. So guys, if you haven't already subscribed, go down below, flip your phone or whatever you have, flip it, and make sure you press the subscribe button and make sure it turns gray. And leave a like down below so that it turns blue. Each build I get, you have to put a like. Tell your friends, family about me, about the video that I have. Say I'm from, I think it's glitching, yeah. I think we're about to go in the game. Because look guys. That always happens to me when we go to the game, that happens to me. Yep, we're in the game. We're in the game. Are we? Yep, we're in the game. I knew it. So I have a friend. Is she coming with me? Come here. Where's my name? My name has to be somewhere. No. What is that, guys? I think it's here. Oh, okay, that's not it. Is that it? Is my friend even moving? He's not even moving. Okay, I think I'm gonna go here. Let's go. See you guys. Traveling to the island? Oh my god, what is this place? Oh my god. E. Started the game. What do you do? Did you go here? Oh my god! So I go here. Oh my god, where am I? my god, that was about to kill me. I'm dead. I'm dead. Oh my god! I have to go again. I have to respawn again, guys. I just have to bounce on this. I think so, yeah. Oh no. Please don't do that. No. I was hitting a lot of damage. Oh my god, I hit so bad. I don't think I should do this part, guys. When am I gonna do this part? It hits so hard. Come up here. Please. Oh no, I'm dead. Oh my god. Guys, did you see how much that was? I think that was 500. I can't do this part. Wait, I'm ready. Oh my god. Guys, I think I'm doing it honestly. No. Oh my god, that hit me so bad. No. Oh my god, that hit me so bad. No, I'm dead. Oh my god, that's 402. There's no way, there's no possible way I'm gonna do this. I'm just going to do it fast, guys. No, I'm dead. Let me go back to hub. I think this game is boring. I'm back to hub, guys. I'm here. Where is my friends are still here? What? Okay. Where is it? It's right here. Okay, I'm right here. Where's the island? Best boy 48. He's in level 48. He's moving. What? Is he making me go somewhere? Hi. Think we should go here. Keep following me. Follow me. Yeah. Let's go. Okay, I'm here. Oh. So I'm here now. I don't know what's here. Oh my god! This boy died? I died too! Are we doing like some game or something? Oh my god! How much build is this? I need a gun too! I heard people having guns. If that's definitely a gun. Where did it give guns? I think I see something. Oh my god, I see guns. Bro, who are you, man? Oh my god, I see good guns. What is that? Balloons?
Look at this fucking high ground retake. I'm so nice. A little bit too nice. Too nice for my pants.
Should I get that? No, I should.
What the fuck? Oh shit.
So,
Oh shit. You guys fucking trap kill, bro. I trap killed like 20 people.
let's build right now. I think it's people versus like people. Wait, how did they get that? I don't know how they got that, but
If almost trap killing was a thing,
I think I'm going
I'll be
to
the
be.
king of
What
that.
is that? What is one?